Time to get familiarized with the basics of a Facebook page. In this segment, you will know the 3 important guidelines of generating traffic using a Facebook page. Studies show for you to reach, engage, and transform normal users into your followers, you need to understand how even the smallest, most fundamental things contribute to the bigger picture of your needs. First off, the solution. Ever wonder how laptops and notebooks gathered more popularity nowadays rather than a personal computer? Eventually, tablets over laptops and notebooks? Smartphones over tablets? The pioneers of these products created solutions, not merely products. That's why they sell. Products may be relevant investment, but solutions offer a better option over products because they improve consumers' daily lives. Reinterpret your products to a different purpose. Post and share your needs to be created to offer solutions to users. That way, your post will spread like wildfire over every news feed. Next would be the access. There is an abundance of options to make your services or products available online. It's no longer about walking into a physical store, but more towards shopping online. Making purchases on the move portrays convenience, thus attracting more users, or in this case, traffic. Finally, education. It sounds like a cliche, but believe it or not, while promotion is shouting praises over your products, it's short-lived. Businesses need to sustain their traffic cycle by providing relevant updates. Hence the need to educate users in ways equal to offering them consistent satisfaction over their concerns. This way, you unconditionally weave a thread of emotional connection to users, albeit responding to what your users want to know or experience about what you're offering. That's why certain products, like laptops for example, come with complimentary items like a mouse, screen protector kits, and even a backpack. The provider has anticipated the foreseen problems by tackling them with necessities for the main item purchased. This way, users are likely to spread the news physically or online. Either way, you gain the traffic.